Hello friends, myself Amar. Now we will start learning how to apply styles in our React applications. There are different ways of applying styles in our React application. Here I have listed four of the techniques. Okay, the number one is inline CSS, second one is CSS style set, third one is module CSS, and the fourth one is CSS in JS. Okay, in this video I will discuss how to use inline CSS in our React application. Okay, for that what I have done, here I have created a functional component named as inline CSS demo, and in the return method what I have done, I am just returning a div tag. I have not given any message here. Okay, now in the app.js file what I am doing, I am using the inline CSS demo functional component, right? Now here what I will do, inside the h1 tag, here I will print the message Ripple's code. Okay, let me save this. Now if I go to the browser, then you can see Ripple's code has been printed. Here what I will do, I will use one more tag, that is the p tag. Inside the p tag I am writing inline CSS demo in React application. Okay, now if I save this, if I visit the browser, then you can see this message is also printed. Now what I will do, here I will apply styles to this h1 tag and to this p tag. For that what I will do, here I will create a constant variable named as head style equals to, it will be a JavaScript object. Here I will use color. In the color I will write, let it be red. Okay, then in the background color I will use here, let it be light blue. Then here I will use font size. In the font size let me specify as 60px. Okay, and then I will simply copy this, let me paste it here. Here I will use paragraph style, let the color be white. In the background color let me specify it as purple, and here the font size I will specify 30. Okay, now these styles which we have created here, I will apply these styles to the h1 tag and the p1 tag, and to do that here I will use style attribute. In the style attribute I will use curly braces, because curly braces is used to write the Java expression, and here I will apply the style which is nothing but the head style. Okay, similarly for the paragraph tag, here I will use the paragraph style, right? Now let me save this. Now if I visit the browser, then you can see the styles has been applied. Okay, now for this case let me change the color is red, let me change the color to white, and let me give some padding here. Padding, let the padding be 10px, and similarly I will use this padding here also. Let me save this. Now if I go to the browser, then you can see the padding has been applied. This means the style has been applied to this h1 tag and to this p tag. Okay, this is how we can use inline style in our React application. Now if you want, you can apply the style in this way also. Let me copy it here, and what I can do is that here itself we can apply the styles. Here I can write, let the color be red, and let me change the text to React.js. Okay, let me save this, let me refresh this. Now you can see this message has been printed React.js, and the color red has been applied. This means we can directly apply the style here also. Okay, this is how we can use inline CSS in our React application, and this is my entire code. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. In the next video I will discuss another CSS technique, that is regular CSS style set. Okay, thank you so much.